In this video, I'll show you how to incorporate the green screen and how to work with it in post. And by post, I mean Premiere Pro. Let's zoom in and get the over-the-shoulder shot. And this looks great, except the floor that the character is standing on is black instead of green. And we have enough poster board to cut some off to put underneath the character. All right, I've cut some of the poster board off of the top lengthwise and put it on the surface so that the character could stand on it. Now we can zoom in and do an over-the-shoulder shot, and everything is green. I'm going to create a new project, and I'm going to title it Green Screen OTS. OTS stands for over the shoulder. I'm going to find my location to put this video and press select, and then click create. Let's bring the filmed scene in, and let's open up Premiere Pro. Click on the footage, and in the effects control over here, I'm going to implement the green screen. In the effects panel, you want to search for the word Ultra. Ultra key is right here. When we double click on this, it's going to pop up over here on the bottom of the effects control for this filmed footage. Let me double click on it right now. Did you see it pop up over here? Here's Ultra key. Now we need to implement it. Click on the eyedropper tool right here, and then click on the green screen right here. When we do that, the green disappears. Let's zoom into the footage that we want to use, like right here. Let's get the razor tool to cut that area, and then find the end of the scene and cut there too. Get my move tool, and I'm going to delete the extra footage that I don't need. Let's bring that back to the beginning. So now we need to add a background. Let's get the spacestation.png. I'm going to drag it into Premiere Pro. Now, this is a common issue, and I'm glad that this happened. I couldn't drag and drop it onto the timeline. If that ever happens to you, you can drag and drop it into the project bin. So let's do that. Drag and drop it into the project bin. Then you can click on it and drag it onto the timeline. Let's look at it. Select it, and you can click and drag it to make it longer. Let's open up Premiere Pro so we can see what we're doing in here. Let's do Command S to save so far. All right, I'm going to take this scene and pull it up, and then take the space station and pull it over this way to go behind it. And now we should see the space station behind the actor. Now it's not going to look really real because when we press play, the actors are going to move, but the background won't. But this is your first step into learning green screen and making a really cool background for a filmed movie that you want to make.